Have you discovered a new business or place that's missing from Google Maps? In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a new location on Google Maps using your Android phone, iPhone, or computer. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, open the Google Maps on your phone. Search for the area where the new place should appear. Now, tap on Contribute. Tap Add Place. Now, enter as much information as possible, including business or place name, category, address, phone number, website, business hours, photos. Providing accurate information increases the chances of Google approving your submission quickly. Google will review your suggestion before publishing it. And that's how you can add a new location on Google Maps. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.